Irritants, that is classification is causative or corrosive irritant, neurotoxic, cardiovascular, asphyxiant. So irritant classification is irritant element is there, organic toxin is. Element is non-metallic and heavy metal. Non-metallic and heavy. Non-metallic phosphorus halogen, pH, phosphorus halogen. Heavy metal, arsenic, lead, mercury, copper, iron, thallium. Arsenic, lead, mercury, copper, iron, thallium. Then organic irritant, castor, abrus precatorius, calotropis, croton, LNC, triple C, castor, croton, calotropis, abrus precatorius, bites and stings. Snake, scorpion, spider, bee, wasp. So irritant element is there, organic irritant is there. Irritant element is non-metallic, heavy metal. Non-metallic phosphorus, pH, phosphorus halogen. In heavy metal, arsenic, lead, mercury, copper, iron, then thallium. Irritant, triple C, calotropis, castor, croton, abrus precatorius, beast, snake, scorpion, spider, bee, wasp. Okay, thank you.